Hi, guys. We just saw a hummingbird, so we're like, hummingbird. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. I'm Tabitha Yon, the owner of Elegant Living, and welcome. And this is
Lexi.
We're going to have a little special treat for you. We're going to show you this beautiful front porch that we made over. If you guys want more links and things like that, go over into the Elegant community. We will give you all the links. We give you all the tutorials of how to do it and all the things like that. So we're just going to give you a brief, show you really what we did, honestly.
Yes.
You guys, this is not new. This is a refresher. You guys have seen this in the spring front porch makeover. So this is kind of just a refresh. So.
Yes. Okay, so let's get started here. Make sure to comment Elegant Living. We're still doing that to make sure you guys know that we changed our name here. Okay, so in the community, we have taught you guys where to shop for these topiaries, how to plant them, and how to style them to make sure that they don't tip over in any of the weather and that they stay fresh and beautiful.
Where to get them, where to get all the things.
And we have taught you guys in the community also where to find your wreaths or your swags or your door hangers or your baskets or whatever you may do on your front porch and the tips on how to get those to stay in all of the weather. That's really important. And we have our layered rugs here. I just think this is absolutely gorgeous.
Yes, it turned out so pretty. Such a pretty home.
So I'm going to get a little bit closer so you guys can see all the little details here. Tell me if it's warm at your guys' house. Is it warm? Is it raining? Hopefully no rain.
Share, like, and comment, and we're going to give away a free Elegant scent box.
Yes, we will.
Yes.
The May scent box. If you guys haven't watched that video, make sure you guys go watch that one.
Yes. So,
love this gorgeous little rug
oh
here.
my gosh, it's so stunning. It looks like a real indoor
Yes.
rug.
Scallops are totally in this year, too. So look at this gorgeous little scalloped welcome mat.
Yes.
You can wipe your feet on it. I love how this rug looks like an indoor rug, but it's not. It's an outdoor rug. It can get wet and everything.
Yeah.
Hi, Vera.
Hello, Vera. We just did a video in the community. Go watch it. Tell us what you think.
And here's the rest of this.
Yes, it's so pretty. So pretty. We give you all the tips of how to get it clean, what to do, where to buy everything. So, yes. You guys got to go in there and...
Love these coordinating rugs. This one has the light blue, the teal, and the navy.
So pretty.
Gorgeous.
Yes.
Let
us know what your favorite thing is.
Here.
So pretty. I love that.
Okay.
It's nice.
Gorgeous. I love this little dog we got here. It just looks so stately. It's also outdoor. Isn't that gorgeous? He has a little bit of weight to him, too.
He certainly does. We
love this space. It was so much fun to do and actually so easy.
It really was. It wasn't bad at all. We love an indoor-outdoor living room.
Yes.
Pretty.
Taking your living spaces outdoors.
Yes, on your beautiful front porches, back porches, whatever you have. Maybe both.
Yes, it is absolutely stunning.
A
I know, I hear it too. Okay, guys, we hope you love this. If you guys want to know where we got our products and how to style it and everything else about this outdoor, get in our Elegant community. We love it. Sorry, our hair's getting a little frizzy. We've been messing with some water and it's a little humid out here.
It's all right. I'm ready for a nice cold water.
Lemonade.
Oh. Yeah, lemonade. Maybe iced tea. Yeah, there we go.
There we go.
Okay,
little
guys.
Half and half.
Thank you so much for being here.
Bye.
Bye.